In front of me is MEIZU mBlu 21, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Choose Google Password Manager and select any password you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock. Hit the delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!